Welcome back to Streaming Media 2025 here in lovely Santa Monica at the Fairmont Miramar. And I'm here today with Alex from Wowza. Alex, introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit about you.
Great. Well, my name's Alex. I head up marketing at Wowza. I joined the company and the industry back in May.
Okay.
It has been a very exciting time, I think, to make an entry into media and broadcasting. There's clearly a lot of transformation and transition in the industry.
Sure.
So, I would say the first 4 months have been pretty eventful.
So, were you in media prior to this?
My background's in AI, robotics, B2B software, so adjacent.
All right, got it. And are you on a panel here at the conference?
So we're actually participating in two panels here. My counterpart, Barry, is heading up one today on cloud, hybrid, and on-prem, which is near and dear to everything that we do at Wowza.
Sure.
And then tomorrow, actually, we're on the Reader's Choice panel. So yeah, we were selected for a Reader's Choice Award.
Good. So, being that this is your first time at the event, what do you sort of expect out of the event?
For me, I think getting an understanding of how everyone else is kind of riding with the change in the industry. People are making a lot of interesting pivots and certainly customers as well. We're seeing a lot of people, part of the reason we're doing the panel, we're seeing so many people kind of move away from pure cloud and, really start thinking about how they want to own and manage their own infrastructure.
Yeah.
So, I'm just interested to see, we see that in our customer base, but is that happening in the broader, in the broader world? So I think getting out of our own echo chamber and coming to meet other people is really valuable.
In fact, talking to Christian Barry probably 2 months before you came on board, we had that conversation about how we've done this pendulum swing 3 times in the industry. So it feels like the accounting people are back to, hey, we probably really ought to own some hybrid version of this thing. So
yeah, I would say, part of it's a cost thing, and then we're seeing this broadly in all B2B software and just software across the board because of AI. There's a lot of concerns about data security, and then of course the complexity of everything that you're doing has just exploded. So I think there's more imperative everywhere to own that and kind of keep your secret sauce and your data and your customers' data, keep it very protected.
Yes, absolutely. Well, Alex, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate that. Welcome to the industry.
Thank you.
We look forward to seeing you around over the next couple of years.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, and we'll be right back with our next interview.